Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. My name is Dmitry Bonder and today we will talk about a very hyping Safemoon crypto.
And that is going to be Safemoon.
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 Safemoon. Safemoon.
Safemoon.
Safemoon. Safemoon.
Safemoon is one of the newest and fastest growing cryptocurrencies, even in a market that's recently seen Bitcoin reach record high values and even the tongue-in-cheek Dogecoin growing by over 8,000%. Even so, Safemoon is the most unusual digital currency as it imposes a penalty on anyone who tries to trade their coins or tokens. Only a few weeks old, its sheer newness also might lead some potential crypto buyers to see it as an unknown quantity. So here is everything you need to know about Safemoon and how you can buy the fledgling cryptocurrency for yourself. Should you buy it or should you skip this hype? So first let me explain what it is. Safemoon is an altcoin. It's a blockchain-based digital currency broadly similar to Bitcoin, but with some clear distinctions as well. It launched in March 2021 and has already racked up over 1 million users. And like Dogecoin, Safemoon is worth a lot less than Bitcoin or Ethereum per unit, but has been climbing in value. And CoinMarketCap currently has each token at price of 0.00005, actually 5 zeros, 5, and it sharply increased to the number that I cannot even to pronounce, so look at the screen. As such, it's already attracting attention from potential investors looking to get involved while Safemoon is still cheap, despite the selling fee. Why is it popping off? Why is it going up in the price? The truth is nobody knows. Why there are so many other crypto projects that are very similar to it, but Safemoon is one that happened to be popping off? That's a big question. People have made tens of thousands of dollars, and since launch, which was just on March 8th, a month and a half later, and they now have over 1 million unique wallet addresses. A million people can be wrong, right? So they already have a $4 billion valuation. Unbelievable. Safemoon is described on its website as a community-driven, fair-launch DeFi token. It seems possible that its founders launched it with noble intentions, given that it's structured in a way that encourages those who buy the coin to hold it for the long term. Safemoon's unique feature is that it charges a 10% fee to anyone who sells their tokens. 5% of this fee is then redistributed to all other Safemoon owners, essentially rewarding those who hand on their tokens and disincentivizing selling. Such a kind of tax could notionally deter anyone from a day trading, since gains would have to exceed the deduction to make any sale worthwhile. What is this product trying to solve? That's the most important question, and it's a core. What is it trying to solve is inequality of rewards. Is it trying to make rewarding tokens more fairly, which doesn't make any sense for me, because you'll never be fair, because the earlier you got in some kind of coins, the better position or the average price you have. So it's not clear how they're gonna solve this problem. On their website, it stated that, however, almost always the token suffers from the inevitable valuation bubble, which is then followed by the burst and the impending collapse of the price. This is why they have seen the mass adoption of static rewards, also known as reflection, a separate concept that seeks to eliminate the troubles caused by farming rewards. Static rewards solve a host of problems. First, the reward amount is conditional upon the volume of the token being traded. This mechanism aids to elevate some of the downward sell pressure put on the token caused by early adopters selling their tokens after farming crazy amount of coins. Second, the reflect mechanism encourages holders to hang onto their tokens to garner high kickbacks, which are based upon a percentage carried out and dependent upon the total tokens held by the owner. The other basic question that you should ask yourself about the project is what is inside of this product. So for Safemoon, their product is tokens that represent fungible and tradable assets made on a blockchain. Is Safemoon safe? It sounds funny. Cryptocurrencies are often highly volatile, and on current evidence, Safemoon doesn't look to be much different. Even as its value grows, it's still prone to be big slides, one of which already occurred in April 2021. There are a lot of controversy behind Safemoon. There are a lot of conflicting ideas. Some people are saying it's just a dip, man, it's just gonna go back up to the moon, it's gonna skyrocket after this dip, and there are a lot of people that are saying, oh, it's a flat-out scam. And while that's a par for the course with a lot of investments, Safemoon has also been compared to Ponzi scheme, as any profits you could make in future are based on someone paying more for the tokens than you did further down the line. So the selling fee and redistribution model could also be said to encourage early adopters, who would then gain the most from subsequent sales. For example, cryptocurrency investor and influencer Lark Davis warned against Safemoon on a Twitter, saying, "Remember, just because you make money off a Ponzi scheme doesn't change the fact that it's a Ponzi." Davis also compared Safemoon to BitConnect, a cryptocurrency that shut down in 2018 after two US state-level securities regulators publicly warned investors of its similarities to a Ponzi scheme. War on Rocks, an anti-scamming group focused on cryptocurrencies, has also criticized Safemoon's owners for locking away more than 50% of its own liquidity pool. This group claims this could result in a kind of reg pool, a form of exit scam, whereby liquidity is intentionally drained from a market, and after that leaving traders unable to sell. Safemoon CEO John Kearney maintains the liquidity is held to make the currency more secured. And in order to figure out what is behind the price surge, we need to take into account the next information. Various tweets have suggested the possibility that Safemoon is the object of focus for an online consortium of coordinated day traders, targeting with a view to pumping up the price before dumping their own holding. That's scary, and this is a kind of activity that caused shares in GameStop to surge as they did earlier this year, and the target of the Wall Street Bets group on Reddit. So the price pumping may be the result of coordinated activities of groups on platforms such as Discord or Reddit, or merely the cumulative effects of posts on Twitter, YouTube, and TikTok videos. It could be representative of the typical frenzy that results when an investment rises rapidly in price. Such movements tend to draw further investors in who feel compelled to get involved out of a sense of FOMO, fear of missing out. Whatever the reason, it matters a little. When the price gets too high to sustain any longer, holders will jump ship, which will prompt the price to plummet, hurting those who don't get out in time. So the same has been true throughout time for all the varieties of scams and schemes that lure people in with the promise of a quick and easy fortune. Sooner or later the bubble bursts, and the last person holding is the one who loses out the most. So guys, please be very careful with this kind of new alternative cryptocurrencies. There are also the stories from people who have been drawn in hoping to emulate the success of the early adopters, seduced by promises of a quick and easy buck, or even the prospect of fortunes. They risk more than they can afford to lose, buying at the top price and seeing their wealth dwindle away to nothing when it crashes. Yeah, some people really get rich, many others lose money at a relatively steady rate. So as a conclusion to this video, I would like to remind you that it's important to think with the logic, with your head and reason, rather than emotion when we see projects that are super exciting. Because sometimes we just get too carried away and we invest with emotion, and as a result, after hype decreases along with the price, many people just lose their money. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I explained you what is a Safemoon, should you invest or not. It's totally up to you, but please make it carefully. Thank you for watching. Click the like button, subscribe and support me on a Patreon.